Most students of astrology treat the 12 signs as a list of personality profiles to memorize. But in the Vedic tradition, these signs, or Rashis, are better understood as 12 distinct cosmic slots. This empty linear chart is the starting point for a mechanical blueprint. The first layer of this architecture is planetary rulership. Every sign in the zodiac is governed by one of the 7 traditional Vedic planets. We begin with the cosmic royals. The sun and moon are unique in this system because they only govern one sign each. The moon takes the 4th slot, Cancer, and the sun takes the 5th, Leo. The other 5 planets, Mars, Mercury, Jupiter, Venus, and Saturn, each rule 2 signs. This distribution completes the foundational layer of our astrological map. To understand how a sign actually behaves, we apply the second layer of the blueprint, mobility. This identifies the specific strategy a sign uses to manifest its energy in the world. The first group consists of the movable signs, numbers 1, 4, 7, and 10. These signs are defined by ambition and action. They are the seekers who are constantly looking for the next achievement. Next are the fixed signs, 2, 5, 8, and 11. In contrast to the movable group, these signs focus on stability and endurance. They are unyielding and excel at maintaining authority. Finally, the dual signs, 3, 6, 9, and 12, act as hybrids. These signs are adaptable and highly intellectual, but their flexible nature can often lead to wavering or indecision. By tracking this geometric pattern, you can deduce a sign's behavioral strategy without having to rely on a textbook definition. The final layer of the blueprint introduces the 3 Gunas. These represent the inherent cosmic frequencies that drive the motivations of the ruling planets. The top tier holds the Sattwik signs, 4, 5, 9, and 12. Ruled by the sun, moon, and Jupiter, these signs vibrate at a frequency of pure consciousness, wisdom, and spiritual growth. The middle tier contains the Rajasik signs, 2, 3, 6, and 7. Ruled by Venus and Mercury, these signs are driven by desire, worldly achievement, and the acquisition of comforts. The bottom tier represents the Tamasik signs, 1, 8, 10, and 11. Dictated by Mars and Saturn, this frequency is associated with blind ambition, inertia, and destructive tendencies. The ruling planet, the mobility, and the guna represent the 3 primary variables of a sign's nature. Together, they define the internal motivation and external behavior of any sign we examine. Test the blueprint on sign 8, Scorpio. Determine its ruling planet, mobility, and guna. Pause and calculate. Sign 8 is ruled by Mars, is fixed, and is Tamasik. This concentrated Mars energy creates a deeply secretive, enduring nature, a warrior refusing to move. This golden grid organizes all 12 signs by these 3 specific variables. This structural approach lets us derive a sign's traits directly from the blueprint, bypassing individual lists. Astrological mastery is about understanding the systems and architecture that create the meaning in the first place.